Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to confirm bookings with an SMS or email link. By confirming your booking via the link provided in the SMS or email, you inform the practitioner of your intention to attend your scheduled appointment. This confirmation secures your slot, minimizes missed appointments, and allows the practitioner to prepare for your visit effectively. In this video, we will start on the email that you received from the practitioner. Click on the booking confirmation link. The Verify Your Identity screen will open. Next, click on the ID number or surname field to enter the relevant information. Once done, click on the Continue button. The Booking Successfully Confirmed screen will open to advise your booking has been confirmed successfully.